Business analytics is the process of using data, statistical analysis, and other quantitative methods to gain insights and make data-driven decisions that drive business performance. It involves the collection, analysis, and interpretation of data to identify trends, patterns, and opportunities, and to provide recommendations for action. Business analytics can be used in various areas of business, including marketing, operations, finance, and human resources. It can help organizations understand customer behavior, optimize production processes, improve financial performance, and manage employee performance, among other things. The process of business analytics typically involves several steps. The very first step is to define the business problem or opportunity that needs to be addressed. This could be anything from improving sales performance to reducing production costs to enhancing customer satisfaction. The next step is to gather and prepare data. This involves identifying the relevant data sources, collecting and cleaning the data, as well ensuring that the data is accurate and complete. The third step is to analyze the data using statistical and other quantitative methods. This involves identifying patterns, trends, and relationships in the data and using this information to draw conclusions and make recommendations. The fourth step is to communicate the findings and recommendations to decision makers. This involves presenting the results in a clear and understandable way and providing recommendations for action. Finally, the last step is to implement the recommended actions and monitor the results to ensure that the desired outcomes are achieved. Now, there are several types of business analytics, including descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. Descriptive analysis involves the analysis of historical data to understand what happened in the past. This type of analytics is useful for identifying trends and patterns and providing insights into past performance. Diagnostic analytics involves the analysis of data to understand why something happened in the past. This type of analytics is useful for identifying the root causes of problems and identifying areas for improvement. Predictive analytics involves the use of statistical models and machine learning algorithms to predict future outcomes based on historical data. This type of analytics is useful for forecasting demand, identifying potential risks, and developing predictive models for business decisions. Prescriptive analytics involves the use of optimization techniques and decision-making models to determine the best course of action to achieve a specific goal. This type of analytics is useful for determining optimal pricing strategies, inventory levels, and production schedules. Business analytics is becoming increasingly important in today's data-driven business environment. It is an essential tool for modern businesses that want to remain competitive and make data-driven decisions. In conclusion, business analytics is a powerful tool that can help companies improve decision-making, increase efficiency, better target customers, improve forecasting, gain a competitive advantage, and improve risk management. By investing in business analytics tools and expertise, businesses can stay ahead of their competition and achieve long-term success.